Good morning, student of standard 9. You all are studying about tissue, plant tissue. See, today I am going to teach you about cork or phloem. Try to understand about cork or phloem. Due to gradual thickness in diameter of dicot stem and root. Dicot stem or root, the outer peripheral cells form the cork cell or phloem. The outer peripheral cell that form the cork cell or phloem, these cells are arranged in radial rows. You can see in picture. Okay. See, the cork cell have no intercellular space, and these cells after differentiation become dead. A fatty substance, that fatty substance known as suberin, is deposited. That fatty substance suberin is deposited in the cell wall, and their walls become thick. These cells are impermeable to water and gases. The cork cell also do not have protoplasm and nucleus, and are that filled with resin or tannin. Their function is, what is function? Function is, to prevent loss of water from the internal tissue. After the formation of cork tissue, the cortical region, cortex, is not able to get water and nutrients. Consequently, its layer dry up and fall down. In onion bulb, the skin of onion become thick and waterproof due to deposition of that suberin. And next, I am going to explain about complex permanent tissue. Try to understand about it. The complex permanent tissue which contain, complex permanent tissue contain more than one type of cell. All these cells coordinate to perform a common function. The two important tissue in vascular plant are xylem, number one, and number two, phloem. Xylem and phloem. Xylem and phloem both are conducting tissue, vascular tissue, conducting tissue, and are known as vascular tissue. Together both of them constitute, the vascular bundle. Both together known as vascular bundle. The function of vascular bundle is to conduct water, minerals, salt, food, soluble food materials to the different part of the plant body. See, number one, xylem. Xylem is mainly concerned with the conduction of water, and mineral also provide mechanical support to the plant as a conducting stem. Xylem forms a continuous channel through the root, stem, leaves, flower and fruits. It consists of 4 different types of cells, both living and non-living. The 4 components of xylem, are: number 1, trachea; number 2, vessels; number 3 xylem parenchyma, and number 4 xylem fiber. That is called sclerenchyma also. Number 1 trachea. See, these cells of trachea are elongated with pointed means chisel-like ends. Their walls are thick and lignified. They conduct water and dissolve substances from the root to the leaves. Number 2, vessels. The cells, try to understand about vessels. The cells are also elongated, tube-like, and placed end to end, and their partition wall are either perforated or completely disappear, forming a elongated tube. The main function of the vessels is the conduction of water and minerals like trachea. Third, xylem parenchyma. There cells of xylem parenchyma that are living, thin or thick due to the deposition of lignin. Their function is store to food, starch, and help in sideways conduction of water upward through trachea and vessels. Xylem fiber, that is known as sclerenchyma. These are elongated and pointed at both the ends. Their walls are also thick due to deposition of lignin. Except xylem parenchyma, the other 3 types of cell are dead and their walls are pitted. Function of xylem fiber is to give mechanical support to the xylem tissue. Try to understand difference between trachea and vessels. In trachea, these trachea arise from a single cell. Vessels arise from a number of cells. Second, trachea's, their ends are tapering, oblique, and the ends are round or transfer in vessel. Third, the lumen of trachea is narrow and the lumen of vessels is wide. Number 4, their walls are more thick. Trachea's walls are more thick and vessels wall are less thickened. I hope you all understand about difference between trachea and vessels. Thanks. Today's homework, you will write about xylem, about complex permanent tissue, about xylem, and 4 type of cells which are present in xylem, and difference between difference between tracheae and vessels. Okay, thanks for today.